Hello everyone, this is Steven for your today's version of Hubby Dub, and we're going to stamp some eagle coolness onto a paper, stamp, and use a hockey puck air hockey stick to pat it down, just because we needed to steal something from the kids' playroom. And we're on day 14 of called Your God Cares, and that is in the devotional Come Away from By the Well for God. And we're going to use the Daniel Smith Artistic Super Duper Collection to color this eagle in. And this takes a while to color this eagle in because it is a majestic and beautiful creature. The verse for today is Psalm 103, verses 2 through 5. It says, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgives all your iniquities, who heals all your diseases, who redeems your life from the pit, who crowns you with steadfast love and mercy, who satisfies you with good, so that your youth is renewed like the eagles." And there is a quote as well from David Guzik, and it reads, "The result of God's work, both in what he saves us from and what he saves us unto, is to bring true satisfaction." That is a beautiful quote. And we're almost finished coloring in Eddie the Eagle. He is a very beautiful eagle, and he has very nice fading on his feathers. It looks very natural with these watercolors. It actually looks so beautiful and perfect. What's the word I'm looking for? Perfect darkness in some areas where the feathers are dark, and faded where it's faded. So that's my description. I hope you like that. And we're going to fussy cut Eddie out, and then just keep fussing around. Make a big fuss and fussy cut, because we like to be fussy and fuss it up. So we're going to cut out the label with the David Guzik quote on it. And then we're going to take that really pretty design, and we're going to make that a background on the page, the one with all the triangles and whatnot. But first we're going to kind of position this. We're going to use some gold encrusted leaves that we got from Tim Holtz dyes. He makes really nice dyes, by the way, if you hadn't noticed. And we're going to stamp that on there. A different color on the bottom. No, it's the same color. Sorry. We're going to stamp that on. But I love the design of this stamp with triangles and shapes and coolness. And then we're going to take, those gold encrusted 24 karat leaves, and because it's a bald eagle. It's one of the most majestic animals on the face of the planet, so it deserves to be swooping down on gold encrusted leaves. Just saying. We are just positioning this, gonna glue it down, put everything where it needs to go, just to give the Eddie the Eagle the respect that he's due, being our country's bird. Just so beautiful and majestic. Then we're going to use the cutesy bear glue to just to kind of attach it to the page, because that's what you do with the cutesy bear glue. Put some on the gold encrusted leaves and pat it down in just the right place, right there. Beautiful. It's the greatest eagle in the world. So yeah, then we're gonna put some letters on here, and it spells out from good things. From good things. And the quote was from David Guzik. And then we're gonna bracket off the verse. And I want to let you guys know to check out Jessa and Mindy's husband's other hubby dubs. And if you like this video, because who wouldn't like an amazing, beautiful eagle video, then you should definitely like and subscribe. But first we're going to outline these letters. And Jessa and Mindy's husbands also do a wonderful job at their hubby dubs. It is such a beautiful page. I mean, beautiful. So like and subscribe and have a great night.